Yes, bete. Let's continue the chapter. We were doing chapter number 1, and the name of the chapter is What's Your Dream by Ruskin Bond. This is the video number 2 of the same chapter, page number 3. So let's start. I don't remember, I said. I don't think I had a dream last night. That's not what I mean. You know, it isn't what I mean. I can see you. You are a dreamer. It's not the lychee season, but you sit in that tree all afternoon dreaming. So what has happened? When the beggar actually has asked the boy that what his dream is, so he denied completely and saying that I'm not a dreamer. I'm not a dreamer. I'm not having any dream. कि मेरी तो कोई dream ही नहीं है. उसने मना कर दिया, है ना? But at this point, the old beggar says that what are you doing sitting on the lychee tree all this afternoon? तुम तो ड्रीमर ही हो, तभी तो तुम लीची ट्री पे बैठ के पूरी आफ्टरनून निकाल देते हो, है ना? So it just like sitting here, I said. So the boy says, I like sitting over here. That's just. I refused to admit that I was a dreamer. Other boys didn't dream. They had catapults. So what happened? He refused. Refused means उसने मना किया ये एडमिट करने के लिए कि वो ड्रीमर है. उसने कहा कि मैं तो ड्रीमर ही नहीं हूँ, राइट? अदर बॉयज डिडंट ड्रीम. अदर बॉयज डिडंट ड्रीम बट दे हैड कैटापल्ट्स. कैटापल्ट्स बेटा गुलेल होती है, ठीक है ना बेटा? जो वाई शेप की गुलेल होती है, जिससे हम खेलते हैं, किसी को पत्थर मारते हैं या किसी को कुछ भी गुलेल, उसे हम बोलते हैं कैटापल्ट्स. ओके, तो कहता है कि दूसरों के पास तो कैटापल्ट्स हैं. आई एम नॉट हैविंग माई ड्रीम. A dream, my boy, is what you want most in life. Isn't there something that you want more than anything else? So that beggar actually says that what you want most in life. तुम्हें सबसे ज़्यादा क्या चाहिए लाइफ में? Isn't there something that you want more than anything else? कि तुम्हें और क्या चाहिए लाइफ में जो ज़्यादा इम्पॉर्टेंट है? Yes, I said promptly. Promptly means quickly. एक ही दम बोलना, एक ही दम रिप्लाई करना. A room of my own. So the young boy, this little boy says to the beggar that yes, I want something and my dream is to have my room of my own. कि मुझे अपना खुद का कमरा चाहिए, right? A room of your own? A tree of your own? It's the same thing. Not many people can have their own rooms, you know. Not in a land as crowded as ours. Crowded means भीड़, population, बहुत populated है, right? बहुत सारे लोग इकट्ठे रहते हैं. So उसने कहा कि wow, so your dream is to have a room of your own, a tree of your own. Okay, कहते हैं लेकिन यहाँ पे क्योंकि बहुत ज़्यादा populated area है, so we don't have our rooms. He says that just a small room. And what kind of room do you live in at present? So he asks that what kind of room do you live in present? Means अब तुम्हारा जो रूम है, वो बच्चे से पूछता है, लिटिल बॉय से पूछता है beggar कि जो तुम जिस रूम में तुम अब रह रहे हो वो रूम कैसा है? What kind of room do you live in at present? Now let's turn the paper beta. So this is page number 4. Let's continue. It's a big room, but I have to share it with my brothers and sisters and even my aunt when she visits. The little boy says to the beggar that I live in a big room. I'm having a big room, but I used to share it with my brothers and sisters and even with my aunt when she visits our home. So aunt is Bua, okay? So I see what you really want is freedom, your own tree, your own room, your own small place in the sun. Yes, that's all, that's everything. When you have all that, you will have found your dream. So here this old beggar says that okay, you actually want freedom. तुम्हें तो आज़ादी चाहिए, तुम्हें अपना खुद का ट्री चाहिए, अपने खुद का रूम चाहिए, अपने खुद का प्लेस चाहिए जहाँ पे तुम सन में खेल सको. ओके, सो अगर तुम्हें सब कुछ मिल गया तब तुम्हारी ड्रीम भी तुम्हें मिल जाएगी. सो लेट्स सी नेक्स्ट. टेल मी हाउ टू फाइंड इट. There's no magic formula, my friend. If I were a god man, would I be wasting my time here with you? You must work for your dream and move forwards all the time and discard all those things that come in the way of finding it. So where this boy, the little boy says that how I would achieve my dream, how I will achieve my dream. So is there any formula? So he says that no, I'm not a god man, है ना, मेरे पास कोई magic formula नहीं है. Would I be wasting my time here with you? So अगर मैं कोई, if I were a god man, would I be wasting my time here with you? अगर मैं कोई भगवान होता, क्या तुम्हारे साथ मैं टाइम अपना वेस्ट कर रहा होता? You must work for your dream. So the old beggar says that if you want to achieve your dream, for that you have to work. You have to work and move forwards, okay? All the time. And discard means छोड़ना पड़ेगा तुम्हें क्या? All the things that come in the way of finding it. Means जो चीजें चीजें उस ड्रीम को आपको पाने से रोकती हैं, आप उन चीजों को डिस्कार्ड करेंगे, उस चीजों को छोड़ देंगे, राइट? एंड देन इफ यू डोंट एक्सपेक्ट टू मच टू क्विकली, यू विल फाइंड योर फ्रीडम अ रूम ऑफ योर ओन. सो व्हाट हैपेंस देन? And then if you don't expect too much too quickly, means if you're getting things, in an easy way, you'll find your freedom or a room of your own. So you are going to get your dream. Obviously, the difficult time comes afterwards. Afterwards means if you achieve your dream, if you get everything, the difficult time, बुरा वक्त आता है, लेकिन वो बाद में आता है, afterwards. Okay, up to here we have done. And I'm going to end this video here only, bete. Thank you.